If you want to learn how to make your photos look sharp and pop, whether you want to use them for your YouTube thumbnails or any kind of design, I'm going to show you how you can do that in very simple steps. And we're going to be using the Snapseed app, which is completely free for both iPhone and Android. If you told me you don't have the Snapseed app on your phone, you need to be sued. Now let's jump in. What's up guys, if you are here for the first time, my name is Reed and you're welcome to another video. If you want to learn how to grow faster on YouTube, how to edit YouTube videos and everything YouTube related, then subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my uploads. And if you're an OG, thanks for coming back. Now let's jump right in. Open the Snapseed app, tap anywhere to open a photo, click on open from device, then select the image you want to edit. To edit your image, click on the tools button in the middle below. The first tool we are going to use to enhance our image is the tune image. So click on tune image. You can simply slide your finger vertically and it's going to open all of these different settings you can use. So first of all, we are going to increase the brightness. To adjust anything, slide your finger to the right horizontally to increase, then slide to the left to decrease. So I'm just going to give it a brightness of 10, then go back to the options and select saturation and adjust the saturation a little bit. Let's give it 50, then go back to ambience, then add some ambience. I'm going to give it something like 30, then we're going to go back again and I'll select highlights, then I'm going to add some highlights. Let's maintain 25 is okay. Then I'll go to warmth and add some warmth. Let's see what we can do. I think 30 is cool, or maybe 25. With just these settings only, as you can see, the image is already looking very good. At any point in time, if you want to see how far you've come, you can click and hold anywhere on the picture to see the before, then release to see the after. Click on the check mark button at the bottom right corner, and we're going to go back to tools. And this time around, we're going to click on details. Slide vertically to see the options, then select sharpening, and we're going to sharpen our image. Slide right to increase the sharpening of the image, and I'm going to give it something like 60. You can give it anyhow you want depending on your image. Once you are satisfied with the results, click on the check mark button at the bottom right corner. Let's go back to tools, and this time around we're going to click on portrait, and this is going to help us to brighten up the face, smoothen the skin and whiten the eyes. Slide vertically and you're going to see the face spotlight, skin smoothening and eye clarity options. Adjust and play around with these options to add clarity to the eyes, smoothing the skin and make your image pop. If you want a complete guide on how to use the Snapseed app, let me know in the comment section down below. If you're okay with what you have, simply click on the export button at the bottom right corner, then click on save a copy, and a copy will be saved to your gallery. If you want to learn how to make professional and catchy thumbnails that is going to make people click to watch your videos, I have a very easy and free tutorial on how you can do that. Click here to check it out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.